Hello friends, good evening. I'm Vaibhav. My channel name is VW Investing Options and welcome on my channel. And we are going to discuss on Nifty analysis on 27th March 2025. So friends, how was it today? As we discussed in our last video about today, all the targets that we have been achieved. So it giving a good confidence. We were discussed the Nifty will fall till until 23,500. It has been fall almost 100 to 200 points of rally in downside, which we have in evidence. And it was really great happen. As we discuss, we are able to predict the market basis analysis that we have done, and market is moving in that direction. So don't miss this. Keep in the market, take smaller trade, and take the small profit. Uh, if you need increase your number of lots, that will increase your profit. Instead of the single lot with 3000 profit, don't go with that. Take the three lots, each lot 1000 rupees profit per lot and 3000, and then exit, or exit one by one, so that will be give you the good profit. But as we are paying doing this since a week time, and every day we have been achieving our target. I am doing this from last 3.5 years, and I'm always maximum time I have hit the profits. So let's discuss the Nifty for tomorrow. As what we discussed yesterday, it has been fault, and it has been settled at 23,464. We were discussed about 23,500, even it's fall more 36 point here. So what was happened, that was happened as we discussed, it was the support was not that strong. It has fallen, so it has been fall now. So let's see tomorrow how we can play in the market. So again, there was a lot of pressure by the buyer who already brought the put, and the lot of volume is there. And considering the scenario, the target that will keep for tomorrow is 23,250 is our first target at the downside. This is the area where Nifty can sustain ideally, if I feel. So from 464 to 250 is another 200 of point. So that is what is our catching area in early of the morning rather than the rest of the day. As we see today, it has happened in first few of 15 minutes candle, and then entire day it is just it's playing the same range, and it has fallen second half. Similarly, that we can expect tomorrow. Nifty will fall in first half 23,250 as our target. Even it will fall further, it will not fall much. It will maximum fall 23,200 only, max 50 points. So that will be not our target. So 23,250 is the first target. Once Nifty open, and if you see a red candle for the 30 minutes, if the red candle is there, go ahead in next candle for the put option and hold until 23,200. Or if you sailor, then short the call that I will do tomorrow once the market open at 9:15, and I will wait till 23,250. So that is the first target. And from here, it will again move to the upward. One important thing is that tomorrow will be expiry of Nifty. So considering this, the volume in the Nifty will be too much high. The seller who is there in the market, they would require to square off their positions. Otherwise, there will be cost to them. Buyer, no issue. All the premiums has been down, so you can buy and you can exit whenever you want. But I personally suggest you, even if you are seller or buyer, please trade on the next expiry rather than the current expiry. So that will give you good leverage. Small losses, small profits, but at least you will sustain you the corpus on tomorrow, because there is suspicious movement. I what I feel that the FI have been brought a lot of option in buying. So 23,250 is market falls. From here, I am expecting big move towards the upward, which I have been expected today as well. It didn't happen, but at least we meet our first target, and it is what that important. So let's discuss this uh, uh, in detail in our conclusion part, so you will be much clarified here. So currently we are here 23,486. We are here, and tomorrow once market open, expect 23,250. So buy here the put option, or you can short the call and continue till 23,250. So this is the area where you can exit the put option and you can exit from the call option. And here you can build a next strategy, that's the buy the call and short the put. So we are expecting from here the market will move to 23,600. It is our upward side profit. So this range, if we're talking about, is almost 400 point we are talking upward side. So do it will happen? The possibility is happening, that is much high. A lot of buying was there been reported, and that will help us. What happened if Nifty opened positively? 23,600 again is our target, and maximum you can keep 23,700. So this will be our second target in that case. If Nifty opens positive, quietly impossible, I see it will open positive and will reach there. Initially, it will at least gap down, and if it will open gap down, it will be further gap down, a further follow till 23,250. So this is what is our strategy for tomorrow, and we'll trade accordingly in the market. So guys, whatever we discuss, it is happening in the market. Whatever the strategy that we have been built, it has been working. I am sharing my personal trade upfront with you, and you can also verify that, or you can also see the trend of the market is happening in that direction. So I'm telling you, I'm suggesting you the direction that I am having, and I will trade in that. And most of you, I will suggest you to play with the minimum capital and the trade and the minimum lots, two or three lots you can play, and with the profit of 1 or 2,000 per lot you can exit. So in a long run, we see in a year we would be taken similar like odd 150 days, so our profit will be, let's say, more than 3 lakhs. So even that will be the big profit. So smaller trade and continuous trade will turn into big profit. That is the only logic behind the option chain. Be it you are in the buying side or be it you are in the selling side. I am on the selling side currently, so I will be short the positions I shared with you. And let's see tomorrow whether the market will move in that direction or not, or how. All the best for tomorrow. So thank you for watching my channel. I am Vaibhava, and thank you guys once again. Bye bye.